That's handsome.
What up in here?
You gonna sing?
You know, we missed over the street down. You look at the cemetery.
He's just a singer in a rock and roll band. You're a good boy.
Come here. You singing now?
St. John's over there along the side.
Oh man, everyone's out and about today.
And the big one over there, All Saints or whatever it is.
Elvis.
Old trees are down.
Oh boy. Hey, you want to sing now?
The Beagles. Ladies and gentlemen, here they are. The Beagles.
The only thing we had a tent in the backyard that took other than that,
Wow.
you got something to eat.
Good boy. I don't want him to see me. So he gets jealous.
You want to sing now?
Now you have another dog here you're walking, huh?
This is mine. This is my dog.
What up? Huh?
He was caught in that storm the other night.
Yeah, doggy. See the doggy?